Hi guys, welcome to Gadget Bridge. This is Sulabh, and today we are going to talk about the Asus Zephyrus MGU502. They've launched a flurry of laptops in India, but this is the specific one that we've got over to our office, and we are going to unbox it, show you all the contents inside, and I'll take you through its technical specifications and feature set. So let's go ahead and see what's inside the box. Alright guys, so that's the box of the Asus Zephyrus GU502 in front of you. The Asus ROG branding can be seen on top of it. A couple of laptops have been launched in the Indian market. One of them is this one. So I'm going to unbox it and show you the contents inside. So let's go ahead. Right, so as soon as you open the box, you get to see the laptop inside. I'm just going to bring it out, take its covers off and bring it back in like a minute's time. Next layer inside the box has some of the reading material, I'm guessing. Let's just open this cardboard container and we'll get to know. Right, so you get the warranty card and the manual inside this box. We keep it here. So the left layer has the power adapter and the charging cable. So that's pretty much it. You get the laptop, you get the reading material, and you get the power brick in this gaming laptops box. So let me bring back the laptop and I'll take you through its form factor and I'll talk about its technical specifications and the feature set. Right, so we just unboxed the Asus Zephyrus GU502. This is from the ROG gaming range that has just come into India. A total of 5 or 6 laptops have been launched here and this is one of them. So let me just bring this lid up and turn on the machine. And wow, it looks neat. It's got a 144Hz 3ms screen on it, excellent for gamers. So let's talk about the aesthetics first. It's got a full function keyboard here. The numlock is definitely missing and a large trackpad comes with it. Couple of multimedia keys are given on the top, which are of course the function keys as well. And separate volume, mute and ROG buttons are also on top. With that, you get a separate power button on top too. The keyboard is pretty decent to look at. It is quite nice and has the RGB backlighting behind it. Right, so Windows 10 is setting up. Till then, I'll talk further about its form factor. So when you turn on this machine, the logo also turns red. The rear panel, basically the top of the machine, has this metallic finish on it, which looks quite cool. If you look at the lid, it is cut out from the bottom part. It's almost like a hexagon was removed from the bottom part of this lid. On the right side, you get the Kensington lock port, 2 USB ports and a USB Type-C port as well. On the left side, you get the power port, the Ethernet port, the HDMI port, another USB port and separate ports for headphone and mic. Twin speakers are placed underneath. The power and hard disk drive indicators are placed on the top of the keyboard. The front has this large LCD screen which screams for attention. It is almost edge to edge. There is no HD cam on top of it. It is just pure screen with the slimmest of bezels that we've seen in the recent times on any gaming laptop. The bottom part has the ROG Zephyrus branding on it with the microphones. Overall, the machine screen screams for attention. So that was the form factor of the ROG Zephyrus MGU502. Let me just talk about its technical specifications and then I'll talk about some of its product highlights. Under the hood, you get a 9th generation Intel Core i7-9750H CPU. This has a base clock speed of 2.6 GHz. This is accompanied with 16 gigs of RAM. Yes, you heard that right. It's got 16 GB of RAM. With it, it's got 512 GB SSD, which is actually NVMe PCIe. So you do not get that 2.5-inch SSD inside, you get a faster PCIe SSD inside. You can upgrade the RAM as well as the hard drive. If you want more disk space, you can take the laptop to any Asus service center. But remember, you can't do this on your own. You have to take the laptop with a new hard drive to the Asus service center. The front is dominated by a 15.6-inch Full HD display. This is IPS level panel and like I said, it's got 144Hz refresh rate. The graphics are powered by an NVIDIA card. This one has the GeForce GTX 1660 Ti graphic card with 6 gigs of RAM on it. This is the GDDR6 VRAM. The juice to this laptop is supplied by a built-in 76WH rechargeable lithium-ion polymer battery, which should give you around 5.5 to 6 hours of battery life under nominal use. But if you're gaming, I do recommend you put that charger in and play that game. Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5 are also available on this laptop. Weight-wise, it is one of the lightest laptops that we've come across in the recent times. At just 1.9 kgs, it is very luggable. So some of the key highlights about the Zephyrus MGU502 ROG laptop by ASUS are as follows. The first one is the USB Type-C power delivery. Basically, the USB Type-C 2.0 port that you see on the right side of this laptop can actually charge the laptop. So if the power is less than 10%, you can use a USB Type-C power adapter to charge this laptop. Mobile power banks are also supported. Windows 10 Home comes on board, which we were not hoping that this laptop would have. We were hoping that the Pro version would come on it. However, Windows 10 Home is also fine for gaming. Another big highlight of this device is that it's got a dedicated graphic card inside. With the latest Intel Core i7 9th generation CPU, the graphic card clocks at 2100 MHz, and as the company says, it will deliver formidable graphic performance. As for the price, it will break your bank. It is priced at 1.8 lakh of rupees. Yes, this machine will break your bank, and you need to shell out that much if you want to own this machine. Now, to some it might be slightly higher, but who want good gaming performance from their laptops and portability, this might be the option that you might want to look at. But for us, it is slightly steep. Though the final price is not out in the market yet, I will put that down in the description so you can come back and check that out later. So a special software that comes inside the ASUS ROG laptop is called the Armoury Crate. Basically, you get to see all these settings here, the CPU load, the GPU load. You can adjust it accordingly. You can go into the silent mode, you can go into the Windows mode or the balance mode, which will balance the machine out for good performance and a decent battery life. Also, you can connect a mobile phone to the device, which will manage the laptop wirelessly. I do not see any bloatware on this device. A couple of regular apps that come with the machine, that come in any laptop, are available over here as well, like McAfee, which, if you ask me, is slightly pesky because it will ask you to register in about 30 days time. So this is the trial version that comes with the machine. However, you might want to pick up another antivirus when you buy this. Alright guys, as always, if you did like the video, go ahead and press the subscribe button followed by the bell icon. Also, you can let us know in the comments if you did like it or not, if you want to see something else with this laptop. We are running a neat little giveaway on our Instagram and Twitter pages as well. Why don't you go and participate? This is Sulabh signing off for Gadget Bridge. I'll see you next time.